Hey, today we're going to fix an Xbox One S, so let's get right to it. First thing we want to check is the hard drive. When these go bad in Xboxes, especially the One series, they can cause no video. So I throw it over to my computer and I run Crystal Disk Info. Those two disks are my computer. There's supposed to be a third. So we know that this hard drive in particular is toast because it doesn't even show up. I'm visibly confused as to where to put it, but this one that comes on screen now is brand new. So we're going to throw this one in to see if that solves the issue. We have preparing console, so it is now displaying. We're going to kind of let it do its thing. It says something went wrong. Luckily for me, this was all that this Xbox needed to return its video and to function completely properly. I am going to go ahead and put the rest of this back together off camera, and I will see you guys in the next video.